Today we are unboxing MinewSemi's complete BLE module kit, powered by Nordic SoCs. Inside, you'll find a welcome letter and a neatly arranged set of 21 modules. This all-in-one kit is built for developers, engineers, and IoT innovators. Let's start with the latest nRF54 series. Here are ME54BS01 and 03, based on nRF54L15, with PCB and UFL antenna options. Next are ME54BS11 and 12, supporting multiple chips, nRF54L15, L10, and L05. Then we have the ultra-compact ME54BS61, just 6x6 by 1.8 mm, and finally, ME54BS02, based on the powerful nRF54H20. Moving to the second and third row, you'll see one nRF5340 based module, and more nRF52 based modules, different chip, antenna, and size for your choice. This kit is perfect for quick evaluation, demos, or distribution, comprehensive, compact, and ready to accelerate your development.